Hey friends, if you wish to customize page zoom in the Opera browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Search for Opera in the Windows search bar and click on Opera browser. Now, on the list on the left hand side, click on the three dots at the left bottom and then scroll down and select settings. Now just search for zoom here, okay? And you'll have to scroll down a little and you'll find page zoom. So the original one is 100%. You can change it to whatever you want to and you can see the page zooming and all, or you can reduce it and you can see the effect accordingly. I prefer to keep it at 100%, but you can choose your own zoom category. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.